Today, I'm going to show you how to start your own customized hoodie business. First step in creating hoodie business is researching design ideas. We will use Instagram and Etsy to discover the latest trend and niche ideas for custom hoodies. Custom hoodies are slightly seasonal when it comes to design. However, it also depends on the type of design you create. Your target audience plays a significant role too. If you are focusing on female customers with pastel colors and softer designs, seasonality might have a greater impact. Next, we will refine these ideas using ChatGPT. We will filter out what's practical and trendy and narrow it down to the best design concept for our hoodie line. Make sure to communicate your vision clearly by sharing your best insight and research ideas with ChatGPT. This will help it provide a more polished and refined version of your concept. Using ChatGPT helps focus your ideas and make sure you are on the right track with what your audience will love. Now, it's time to create the actual designs using DALL-E. Let's take our filter ideas and turn them into custom hoodie designs that are ready to be printed. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to upload it to Printful. Printful will handle printing, packaging, and shipping the hoodies for you. Choose the manufacturer that best fits your need and then click on Create a Template. Printful also offer a range of eco-friendly hoodie options if sustainability is part of your brand. This is the perfect way to ensure your hoodies align with your values. Upload your design here. Printful is a great option if you are just starting out your business or want to preview how your design will look. You can even create mockups to showcase your product. On the right, click on Product to explore different techniques. Whether you want to use DTG printing or embroidery, choosing embroidery is a great way to stand out from the competition. But keep in mind that Printful has some restrictions on where embroidery can be applied. Just upload your design how you normally do. Make sure your design doesn't use too many colors and you can adjust the colors on the right. Now, let's choose the color and design options. Once happy, click on Save to Templates. Next, we need to set up your online store. You can either sell your hoodies on Etsy or build your own store using platforms like Shopify or WordPress. As I mentioned earlier, hoodies can align well with seasonal trends by focusing on social media and creating engaging content. You can start selling your hoodies through TikTok Shop. A great content idea is to showcase product durability with fun, crazy experiments. These type of videos tend to attract more views. Additionally, Printful offers a wide range of options for selecting an e-commerce platform. Etsy is a great option because it's user-friendly and already has a large audience for custom clothing. Grant access to your Etsy account. Connect your Printful account. Now, let's list your product. Simply click on Add to Store. Choose variations you want to offer and proceed to mockups. Next, choose the mockups and hit continue. Now, this is the most important part of your listing. Customers will discover your listing through your SEO and only then they will see your design. So make sure you have an SEO optimized title and description that includes the right keywords. You can use Google Trends or SEMrush for keyword research. These tools help you understand past and future trends. For example, the trend for graphic hoodies for women is currently on the rise. In addition to these tools, be sure to examine your competitors' listings. When you are selling on Etsy or Amazon, offering a competitive product that addresses the issue customers face with your competitors can be a game changer. Highlight these solutions in your images, titles, and descriptions. Let's select the best listing, copy the description and title, and paste it into ChatGPT for clearer view of what they are targeting. Also, don't forget to add your design ideas in title and description. Paste the product details from Printful into ChatGPT to refine your description with accurate information. Read your title and description from a customer's perspective to ensure you haven't missed anything. Next, fill in the other details here and click on Continue. Make sure to conduct competitor research before setting a price. You can also order a sample to assess the quality of the product before finalizing your pricing. Once done, click on Submit to Store. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.